Hello, it's Mike, NoStressMike.com, and I'm talking what happens during martial law. And one of the things I wanted to mention was understanding the chain of command. The people that you will be dealing with in just about all these situations will be a peon. They're just doing as they are told. So understand that this person doesn't make the decisions. This person is just following orders. They can't really give you any kind of sensible reasoning on what they're doing. They're just doing as they're told. Hopefully, somewhere up that chain of command, someone is telling them to do the proper thing. And so, whether they're disarming you, they're just stopping you, they want to make entrance on whatever you're at, anytime they want to ask questions, stuff like this, there's good reasoning for it. This is why the three-man meet and greet is so important. They know and understand the chain of command. They know and understand how to talk, who to talk to, the right questions to ask, and the right statements to make. You know what I mean? Because sometimes you're going to be honest, and sometimes you can't fully disclose everything. And so understand when you're saying things, there's certain things you don't want to say to the peon. There's there's some things that you only talk to someone up the chain of command. Now you're not going to be able to talk to the top dog, but this particular situation that you find yourself in right now, the one you're talking to is not the one that's going to iron everything out if there's a problem. I've mentioned many times in my videos where I'm talking about where I'm, okay, like I was stopped by the police, and it was one problem, and then I said, well, let me speak to your supervisor. I'm going up the chain of command. I ended up going up 5 steps on the chain of command. And that's until I got to somebody that I could talk to and could make sense and could make a decision. Remember, the peons can't make decisions. They're just doing as they're told. They don't make the decisions. So, and it's the same thing when it's coming into your household. You know what I mean? Who's going to be the one that's going to make the decisions? Because like I say, you better know who's wearing the pants in your household. And then when you merge with another household, you have to understand there is a chain of command. There's always going to be a chain of command. Even in the militia, no matter how small it is, the three-man militia, there's still a chain of command in the three-man militia. And then when you put these three-man militias, there's still a chain of command. There's always someone that has to make the decisions. So remember that, so then you are not just spouting out crap that's going to get everybody else in trouble. And remember, you're talking to somebody that is very limited on what decisions they can make. So this stuff needs to be thought out well ahead of the time, and you need to figure out who is going to be doing the talking, and you got to be able to know that you can stand behind this person no matter what. This is Mike, NoStressMike.com.